Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lex and today's video is probably going to be a pretty important video for some of you that are starting print on demand, because there is a high chance that you can encounter what I just encountered. But before we get started, like I said, if you're new to print on demand, I got a playlist. It's got some good videos, how to get started. You can literally copy everything I do. I mean, there are no secrets here. Like, if you want it, you take it, whatever's shown. And if you can't really see it on the video, always come check out the Etsy store here. It is etsy.com/, I'll just put it on the screen, it's kind of annoying. Okay, so I think it was yesterday, maybe 2 days ago, I encountered a problem that there's a good chance if you're starting, you got your shop up, you're running, things are going good, you're trying to power through quickly, you're going to encounter this problem, and that is your account being suspended. You'll probably see something like this, because this is what I experienced. I come on, I'm like, hey, let's do this, let's get ready. You go to your shop manager, and then you see this down here, your account has been suspended. I'm like, what? I just started my account, how is it suspended already? And then you go to your listings and you see here, deactivated by Etsy. You're like, wow, really? What did I do wrong? Is my shop gone forever? Well, more than likely it is not, especially if you just started, unless there is a chance that what you uploaded was actually copyright material. Let's say I put up Marvel Doctor Strange t-shirt. Okay, there's a really good chance it's because I infringed on their property and stuff like that, but these are not trademarked or anything like that. I just uploaded them and now I'm banned by Etsy. So I'm going to walk you through what happens. You come up here to this contact Etsy support, go click on this button. You got to go through the little survey here. Obviously we're selling. Oh, it's my account, reopening or closing, appeal a permanent suspended account. There we go. And then you'll file your appeal, and then you'll get moved over to a screen that's going to look like this, where they'll have an empty box and you just type in, hey, what's going on? You can copy what I wrote exactly. I actually had this happen to one of my other stores, and it took them, I think, about 5 days to respond. So there's a good chance it's going to take a while. So in the meantime, I would say continue making designs and stuff like that. Have all the mockups, have everything in a folder ready to go. So when you get access, you can just start uploading and stuff like that. But this is what I wrote on my last one. They sent me an email, said, sorry, we can't be too careful. And they gave me access back to my account. So today I logged in, find out, like, you guys have suspended my account. I'm positive that I've done nothing wrong to warrant such action. Trying to sound very proper and stuff. Please let me know if somehow there was an issue. If not, may I please have access back to my account? Thank you. Boom. That's all you need to do, and you should receive an email. Or sometimes I heard that they don't actually even send you an email, they'll just grant you access back. So let's refresh. It says 1 day ago, 2 days ago. So yeah, I was right, 2 days ago. So my last one took about maybe 4 or 5, so that's where I'm at right now. So you probably won't see any other videos aside for this one for probably maybe a week. I don't know honestly how long it's gonna take, but I will do another design video. But I want to put this one up for you guys that have this problem. Don't worry about it.
I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises, and when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.